Welcome back for another episode of After 5 Garage. I just got notification that my new exhaust that I ordered is going to be coming in today. I figured this would be a great opportunity to give you a sound comparison of what's on the car now versus what's going to be on the car. I ordered an ISR 3-inch single exit. Basically what I started noticing as I was getting a bottleneck when it comes to my exhaust system. Silly me, I had this exhaust before I boosted it. This diameter of piping is like 2.25. I'm hoping that going to the single exit is going to free up more horsepower. I got the car out here in an empty parking lot. I'm going to get one camera getting the rear end, getting the exhaust, and I'll have another camera up front getting like the blow off valve and all the wishy-washy supercharger noises for you. Let's do it. Oh boy. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking off all the way up to the white pipe. That is it. I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can being on the ground. We're going to take off these two, and then we'll also take off where the, I guess you could call it the white pipe. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing, probably disconnecting the valves, get those unplugged. That's going to free up the valves now, so now the valves are no longer plugged in. So since I'm going to a single exit exhaust, I could go ahead and remove this mount right here on the passenger side. Okay, that'll free that up. There we go. Muffler's off. Now we got to get the remaining piping back here. There it is. So I think first thing to tackle would be the resonator. So it'd be this part right here. We'll get that put on first. Once that's made it up to the rest of the piping, we'll get the muffler part on. It's going to be coming out right there. While I'm here, let me go get my caliper tools. I'm very curious. Sure enough, that's what I was expecting. So this whole piping right here was 2.25 inch. That's going to make a huge difference, guys. Now, please understand, this exhaust was purchased and put on my car way before I boosted it and put the supercharger on. So I just didn't think anything of it, if I'm going to be honest with you guys. I didn't think much of this exhaust causing a bottleneck, and now I see the difference. I mean, now I'm looking at it off the car. I could just see it. I mean, wasn't paying attention. I had to flip the resonator coming the other way. So resonator is going to act like it's going to go towards the passenger side, and then the rest of the pipe is going to go towards the driver. So currently in the process of getting this tightened down. Got to tighten it down where the white pipe is, and then, to be honest with you guys, from there we should be able to start it up and see what it sounds like, and then maybe go for a test drive. Okay, exhaust is on. I'm gonna give it a little startup. Let's see what we have. up and we'll go for another drive, and then we'll go to the same parking lot and get some revs for you guys. But just on idle, I think it sounds amazing. It has a very nice deep tone to it. So I'm happy so far. I'm gonna be honest with you, I was not expecting it to be this deep of a tone. It is very aggressive. It's kind of the sound I was going for. I did talk to my tuner, I did talk to Martin. We are gonna have to pull some logs just to see how the car is reacting with the bigger exhaust diameter. I'm not gonna be doing anything crazy, no crazy pulls or anything, just wanted to get a few little exhaust revs. After that, I do want to send some logs over to Martin and see what he sees and see if we have to possibly reflash, which I'm assuming we're going to. So I'm gonna baby this thing home. I do not want to beat on this thing. It sounds good though. I'm very, very happy with it. It's an ISR 3-inch single exit paired up to a Z1 3-inch Y pipe, going to Berk resonated test pipes, going to Z1 equal length headers. And that's where we're at now. We are a full exhaust system and I'm very happy. Alibaba exhaust is probably going to be for sale. I already asked my wife, she does not want it on her car. So if you guys are interested in a valved dual exhaust setup, hit me up. I will definitely take care of you on the price. But yeah, I'm a part of the single exit life, boys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video. And if you guys could like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.